Java 3D Cube Runner. Part 2. Detecting collisions of a moving cube. This video explains how to detect a moving cube's collision. In most of my previous videos that explain collision detection, I used external 3D models. Unfortunately, their collisions cannot be detected. So I connected such an external 3D model to a local coordinate system and detected the local coordinate system's collision. If you are interested in it, check out the following playlist. Java 3D How to Detect Collision. To detect the local coordinate system's collision, the local coordinate system can be passed to the CollisionDetector group class that I had created in advance like this. On the other hand, the ColorCube class extends the javax.media.j3d.shape3d class, so a ColorCube object can be passed to a similar class, the CollisionDetector class, like this. Instead of detecting the local coordinate system's collision, the ColorCube object's collision can be directly detected. I slightly modified previously used source code for local coordinate systems collision detection by removing the word group so that it can be used for ColorCube's collision detection. Source code explanation. Source code links in description. Feel free to use the source code to make your own Java 3D program. I reused the source code described in the previous video. Java 3D Cube Runner. Part 1. Small cube running through scattered cubes. 1. Add these lines. Bring these external classes into this program to use them. Needed for collision detection. 2. Add this line. Needed to stop the moving cube when a collision occurs. 3. Add this line. The moving cube has been colliding with the base from the very beginning. Using the setCollidable method like this, the base can be excluded from collision detection. Modifying the createMovingCube method. 4. Add these lines. Pass the moving cube, moveCube, in the movingColorCube class to the constructor of the CollisionDetector class. Create a CollisionDetector object, CD. Connect the CollisionDetector object to TG. Creating and adding the CollisionDetector class. 5. Add this class. Declare these variables, make them global, so that they are accessible from the initialize and process stimulus methods. The moving cube is passed to the constructor of the CollisionDetector class. The moving cube is passed to the constructor of the WakeUpOnCollisionEntry class. Create a WakeUpOnCollisionEntry object, WEnter, which indicates that the moving cube has just collided with something. The moving cube is passed to the constructor of the WakeUpOnCollisionExit class. Create a WakeUpOnCollisionExit object, WExit, which indicates that the moving cube has just separated from something it was colliding with. Awaken and activate the CollisionDetector class if WEnter occurs. When the class is activated, the process stimulus method is executed. The variable in collision is declared here, so it is accessible from the process stimulus methods. In collision becomes true, and this block of code is executed. C state is initially set to true. If this line of code is executed, C state becomes false, and the moving cube stops. Awaken and activate the CollisionDetector class if WExit occurs. This does not occur in this program. However, if you write code here for bouncing the cube back, WExit occurs, which awaken and activate the CollisionDetector class. In collision becomes false, and this line of code is executed. When the cube collides with something again, the class is awakened. This step is repeated again and again. Running the program in Eclipse. As soon as the program starts, while holding down the Alt key, press the 9 key on the numpad, so that you can see the base and cubes a little bit from above. F key, S key, Alt plus 9 key, S key, F key, Alt plus 9 key, up arrow key. Up arrow key. The moving cube has just collided with a randomly scattered cube and stopped. Thank you for watching my video. On my homepage, New Google Sites, I divided my how-to videos into groups so that you could find what you were looking for more easily. If you are interested in it, please visit the site. Links in description. Visit my channel to see more videos.